picture of the mist coming off the pond.
You're the first to buy. Is that the bit where John was there?
It would have been
Oh,
probably.
he's for it.
See all the mist coming off it? You can't really see it, the camera, it doesn't do it justice. Just watch for that bus.
I asked why you don't take your can hen. She's like, I don't like taking things off folk. I says, you're the first to buy all the rest, isn't it? And I just threw it at her basically.
I know. This is actually Blackwood, but we try to get the mist off of the Khill. Try to get the mist coming off of the quarry. That's a quarry down there, and the mist is coming off it because it's been so hot. But is it still in Carlisle? There it is in Carlisle. Lauren is stalking him on the Snapchat app.
So Liam, if you see this, haha.
We just decided to come down to the next town, but it's been raining, so we are getting the bus home. And one day, guys, I'm going to come down and I'm going to do a video at that church straight in front of us. It's just going to be too wet today to do anything. Hi, Liam's at Carlisle, Newcastle way. I'll probably see him tomorrow morning. And I told the wee shite to wait on me, another came with me. I told you, Newcastle, I told them to wait on me till Zach went with his other granny, another came, but no. Look at Lauren. We've got Shell. Oh, they go their holdies and more. I say I'm going to be lost all week with my best pal.
Sorry, stop my phone up to video you every day.
And they're going to get me what? Sand off the beach, seawater, shells, some dirt out the campsite, because that'll be nice energy in it with all the families having happy holidays. So I want some happy holiday muck or dirt. Okay guys, I'm just waiting the bus, it's a bit due. Yeah, so this is Kipper Hill, but I was just want to film that quarry, but it's not doing it justice, the amount of mist coming off it. Right, catch you in the next tune, right?